Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix due to repeated attempts or other suspicious activity your access to Snapchat has been temporarily disabled. So guys, if you're trying to log in your Snapchat account but you are facing this problem and you are unable to log in your Snapchat account, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now you have to simply open any browser and search here for sport.snapchat.com. Here you can see this. You have to simply search for Sport Snapchat, and from here tap on Snapchat Sport, and now you have to go to my account is compromised and wait here for some seconds, and from here scroll it below, and from here you have to give here your username on Snapchat, give here your email address that is associated with your Snapchat account, and from here give your phone number which is also associated with your Snapchat account. And in this box you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way that you have not violated any community guidelines on Snapchat but your account has been disabled. So guys, you have to simply explain this in a brief way, and after this you have to simply submit this report to the Snapchat team. So guys, they will review your issue and hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours if you have not violated any community guidelines. So guys, hopefully after this your account will be unlocked and you will be able to log in your account very easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.